Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson Profit, Loss and Discount. Now coming to the example 8, it is the sum related to the discount and also the profit percent and all. Now in the question 8, that is example 8, a dealer allows a discount of 16% to his customers and still gains 5%. Find the mark price of the table which costs him 1200. So they have given, what all they have given? The discount percent is 16,000, gains 5%, means the profit percent is 5%. They have asked you to find the marked price of the table which costs him 1200, means cost price of the table is given. So CP of the table, how much it is? Rupees 1200. Now he gains 5%, means profit percent is equal to 5%. And the other thing they have given is the discount percent. So it will be on the other side, isn't it? It is related to the MP. So they have asked you to find out MP is equal to how much. So the link between CP profit percent and MP discount percent, what is the link? SP. So using this, find out SP, then using that SP you can find out MP. Okay, first of all you have to write in these two sections. Whatever is given, what we have to find out, that you have to understand and write, then proceed. Okay, now put the formula. Now it is easy. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Remember, the first worksheet is continued in the second worksheet, isn't it? So CP, how much is given? 1200 into 100 plus profit percent is 5 upon 100. It is 1200 into 105 upon 100. 20 cut. 12 5s are 60, 0, that is why we are putting directly 12 1s are 12. So you got the SP as 1260. Now take this SP to the other side. How much you got? 1260. Now use the formula for MP. MP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. SP 1260 into 100 upon 100 minus 16. That is 1260 into 100 upon 100 minus 16 is 84. 10 minus 6, 4. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 2 remains 20, 4 5s are 20. Now 21. So 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 0s are 1. Take that 1 to the other side, next digit, 15. So 3 5s are 15. Now 7 1s are 3 remains, 5s are. Otherwise 15 sevens are 105. So you got 15 and 2 zeros. That means 1500. 15 into 100. So you got MP as, this is SP. Hope it is easy now, isn't it? You are understanding. So answer, the mark price of the table is rupees 1500. Hope you are finding it easy. Now coming to the example 9. Example 9. The shopkeeper allows 25% discount on the mark price of the sarees, and still he makes a profit of 20%. If he gains 225 over the sale of one saree, find the mark price of the saree. So you have to find out the marked price. So discount percent, it is 25%. You have to find out the marked price. Marked price how much? So on the left side, what and all is given? The profit percent is given. How much? 20%. Profit, he gains. So profit is equal to rupees 225. They have not given SP, CP, nothing. They have given profit and profit percent. So using this, you can find out CP. You know, profit percent is calculated over CP. So first find out CP is equal to how much. See, to find out MP, we want SP. But we have profit percent and profit. But directly we can't find out SP. First we have to find out CP. So profit is equal to profit percent of CP. You know this. Profit is equal to profit percent of CP. Profit, how much it is given? 225. Profit percent is how much? 20% of CP. Okay. So 225 is equal to 20 upon 100 of multiply CP. So CP, you keep it on the right side. 225, this 100 will go to the numerator, 20 will come in the denominator. 0, 0 cut, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Otherwise 20 ones are 25s are 100. So you got CP is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So you got CP is equal to 1125. Now you have profit. So can you find out the SP? You know the formula, SP is equal to CP plus profit, isn't it? So 1125 plus profit is 225. It will be rupees 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3 1. So you got 1350 is the SP. Hope you understood this sum till here. So they have not given the CP, SP. They have given the profit percent and profit. Using profit percent and profit, find out CP. Why? To find out MP, we want SP. But to find out SP, first we have to find out CP, because profit percent and profit is given. So profit is equal to profit percent of CP. Using that formula, find out CP. Then SP is equal to CP plus profit. Now take this. SP is equal to rupees 1350. Now put the formula. MP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. SP is 1350 into 100 upon 100 minus 25. That is 1350 into 100. 100 minus 25 is 75. It is 25 3s are 25 4s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 1 remain. 3 5s are 15 and 0. Now it is 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So you got MP. So answer, mark price of the saree is rupees 1800. Is it clear? So in the question they have given the discount percent. MP you are supposed to find out. क्वेश्चन ठीक से पढ़ो. 25% डिस्काउंट दिया है और मार्क प्राइस फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं. SP नहीं दिए हैं और CP भी नहीं दिए हैं. प्रॉफिट परसेंट 20% दिए हैं और प्रॉफिट गेन मतलब प्रॉफिट 225 दिया है. सो फर्स्ट CP फाइंड आउट करो. कैसे? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट परसेंट ऑफ CP. सो वैल्यूज डालो और CP फाइंड आउट करो. आपको मिलेगा 1125. 225 इज इक्वल टू 20% ऑफ CP. 20% मतलब 20 अपॉन 100. CP राइट साइड में ही रखो. 225 100 goes to the numerator, 20 comes to the denominator. फिर कैंसिल करेंगे तो आपको मिला 1125. तो SP इसके लिए इधर MP फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें SP चाहिए. तो SP इज इक्वल टू CP प्लस प्रॉफिट. सो दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको मिला 1350. फिर MP का फॉर्मूला डालो. 1800 MP मिला. ठीक है? Hope all students understood all the examples related to the mark price, discount percent, profit percent, CP and all. Okay? Bye. Thank you.